A quality of management is a one factor which can be used by all the investor, irrespective of conservative or aggressive investor. Any investor need to be evaluate these five important factors before investing into a company. What are those? The five important quality of management factors. One is a business description. We have to read about a business. Like, for example, if you are considering any business, for example, Tata Consultancy, okay, Tata Consultancy Service, then we have to read about them, what they do, okay, their history, when they have been started. You can Google it. If you going to the Google and if you say that TCS, okay, you will get the detail about when they have been started, who is the CEO now, okay, where the headquarters is, how many employees are there. If you go to the Wikipedia, simple Wikipedia page also, we will come to know that which are the countries they are operating, okay, and what service they are providing, okay, their history, and what service they are providing, what are the activities they have been done, okay, product and service, these things, from where they are getting a maximum revenue, you can see here, okay, maintenance, they are getting a maximum revenue, okay, which are the location they are operating, because these locations will be like whenever there is a news on any of their location countries. For example, they are working in a Europe. If something happens in a Europe, their share price will be fall or rise, okay. So these details you have to study before investing into any stock, okay. We have to know about a fair information related to that particular stock in terms of the business. That's the first thing we have to do. The second thing is a company strategy, okay. Company strategies are nothing but what they do. Same thing in a business description also we covered up something. Apart from that, what they do, which are they are in a market, is they are doing any innovations, okay, what recently they have been done. If you're going to the money control, in a news section, if you click on a news section, we will be getting some recent news about that particular company, what they have been done, is there any merger they have been done, is there any tie-up they have been done, is there anything they have been sold, asset has been sold. These information you will understand which information is a positive to the company, which information is a negative to the company, which anything impact on a company financial, it will be negative. In the sense, if you are selling a asset, it will be a negative. If they are doing some merger, or they are acquiring some company, we have to think that what kind of company they have been acquired, why they are acquiring, is there any benefit from that particular acquisition, okay. Those things we have to understand. That's the second factor. Third factor is the industry, which industry they are operating, and competition between others, okay, where they have been stand. To understand that, we have to go to peers, okay. We have to click on here peers, okay, click on here peers, okay. We will come to know that about other competitors. Who are the other competitors? Infosys, HCL, Wipro, Tech Mahindra are the other competitors. Where TCS stand in terms of the sales, okay. Who is doing the highest amount of the sales? Of course, TCS is doing, next Infosys, HCL, Wipro, HCL, then Tech Mahindra. So we will be able to understand that who is doing a highest revenue. If you compare with a profit, almost double the profit to the next competitor they are doing. They here double the profit they are doing. Okay, more than double. In the sense how strong they are in terms of that particular business, you will be able to understand. Their revenue also almost double, in the sense more than 1.5 times revenue they are doing, in the sales they are doing. In the sense they are the market leaders, the second leader, third leader. We will come to know that where they are in a market by comparing with their peers. Okay, their competitors, by comparing with their competitors. Also we can read about a news on that competitor and sectors. Okay, what their competitors doing, how it will be impact on their business, is there any impact on their business or not, can Wipro if buy some um, asset, okay, what will happen to the TCS. Okay, these kind of analysis we have to do. Okay, this kind of analysis will come over the period of time. It will develop yourself when you are keep watching a market. You will come to know that which kind of news is positive for my stock and which kind of news is negative for my stock. You will able to understand yourself over the period of the time. Okay, that is the one thing we have to check. And next it comes to a corporate governance. Corporate governance is nothing but the management team. Okay, a board of directors or committees. Okay, auditors and the management committee like CEO, CFO, who is marketing, who is in a COO. Okay, this information you can go to company info. Next to the peers we have a company info. If you click on that, okay, you will get here about a company. Also you can able to understand what they are doing, okay, from where they are operating. This about a brief description about a company. Also here you are able to understand, as well as you are able to understand a management. Okay, who is a chairman now, his background also you may be heard in news. Okay, he has done that. Okay, he is has any bad mouth on that particular chairman or a CEO. Okay, who is the independent director. These things we have to check. View more will be give you the detail about all the board of directors. Okay, and all the designation wise they will be given. Okay, who is the managing director, independent director. And if you heard any of the like Mistry, you may be heard some negative news about him, it will be impact on your stock also. So these names you have to be familiar, because these names whenever flashes in a news, there will be a direct impact. If it is a positive news, positive impact, negative news, negative impact on a share price will be there. For that reason we have to keep in mind who are all they. Okay, apart from that, the last one, the important one, is the promoter holding. For example, if it is run by the promoter, okay, then we have to check for the promoter holding, how much they promoter has been promoter has a holding. At least 25% is a better if it is a family run business. Some of the business are there, they are not be run by any families, like ICICI Bank. It is run by only the FIIs. Okay, there is an independent company. Many banks are there, they are independent companies. Okay, some of them are family run businesses are there. If it is a family run business, at least 25% should be holded by that family member. In the sense, if it is run by Ratan Tata, so 25% promoter has to be hold. Ratan Tata will be promoter and he has to hold a 25% at least. Okay, then it shows that promoter has a confidence in his business. Okay, if he himself is running away from the business, that shows that he is not having that much confidence in that particular business. So we can check that one again here. Shareholding. If you click on a shareholding, here you can see, okay, 72% of the shares has been it's with the promoter itself. It shows that he has a strong belief in a business. Promoter itself holding a 3/4 of the 75%, 72% of the shares. In the sense, that shows that he has a grip in the company, and he is believing in his business, and he knows that this business will do well in a future also. And pledge we have to check. If it is not at all pledge, 0% pledge, then it is a good, because when we have a 0% pledge, it shows that promoter doesn't have any money pressure, in the sense financial pressure is not there. Okay, working capital also he is able to manage with the company working capital only. He is not pledging a shares and getting a loan from the bank or mutual fund. Okay, if it is pledged 5 up to 5% is okay. In 72%, 5% is okay kind of the pledge. Okay, for the short term they may be pledging shares for a short period of the time. Okay, that will be there in a market. So up to 5% is okay, but if it is more than 5%, we have to be careful. For example, if you like to discuss, take a S bank. Okay, we'll load S bank. We'll go to shareholding pattern. We'll be having an idea. Okay, initially there was a 8%. Promoter itself, he was not at all confident, and gradually he has been reduced the shareholding. As the company is under pressure, he started selling off his shares. Even before 2019, he had a more than 30% shareholding. Gradually he started selling off. Okay, we will check for a Reliance Communication, Anil Ambani Group. You can see gradually the shareholding has been reduced, and in that 22%, in that 22% of the share has been pledged. Okay, everywhere here half of the share has been pledged. Okay, this pledging will be shows that they are in a financial stress, and selling of the shares will be showing that they are not able to manage, they are losing a confidence in a company management. Okay, so these data will be very important for in any company. For example, if I take a Berger Paints, okay, one by one we can see. For a Berger Paint, if I go to a company info, okay, you can able to see that where are they are operating and what kind of products they have, everything we can see here. Second thing is the company information, who is managing director, everything we can see here. And third thing we can about the peers, like competition, who are the close competitor. The one is the Asian Paint, he is the market leader. Second will be Berger, and close competitor for Berger is a Nerolac. Okay, so we will be able to understand that how the competition is. Okay, then it comes to a company strategy. We have to check with the news. Okay, by using a news, what kind of strategy they are. Berger Paint standalone, like that, there will be a news related to the Berger Paint. Okay, we can correlate them. Then it comes to the shareholding. Okay, you can see that they are strong, they are believing in their business. So 75% of the shares are with the promoter only. Only the and none of the shares has been pledged. One more thing we can see, the mutual fund holding, in the sense how many mutual funds invested in this particular shares. That is also important factor to be considered. As much as mutual funds are interested into the shares, that shows that fund managers are positive about that particular share. Okay, when fund managers are positive, usually price will goes up, right? If fund managers are there participating actively in this particular company, that shows that a fund manager has a positive opinion towards the company. Okay, you can check that some of the shares like Reliance Communication only, or S Bank we will take. go to shareholding. Okay, only few funds have been invested, right? If you consider Reliance Communication, none of them will be invested. Reliance Communication, if I go to shareholding, you can see none of the mutual funds are holding a Reliance Communication now. That shows that this company doesn't have that kind of the growth, or future expectations are nil, or nothing we can expect from this particular company. Okay, so these are the factors we have to consider. These are the factors we have to consider. By looking at these factors, okay, there is no way to do a quantitatively here, only qualitative, in the sense your own way you have to analyze. We will not be having any numbers here. Okay, only we can compare and we can say that okay, this is good, we can say this is bad, right? Here we are not able to say with respect to the numbers, 10% it is good, 20% it is good. Okay, based on these five factors, we can say that yes or no to that particular company. Okay, TCS, yes, like that I can write based on the all these factors together. By considering all the five factors together, okay, we will say that okay, company description we read, okay, it's pretty old company, and strategies are so good. Okay, they are operating in many where, and competitive position, okay, it is closely competitive with other competitors, and all corporate CEOs, chairman, everyone has a good reputation in a society, and promoters are having more than 25%, and none of them are pledged, and mutual funds also showing an interest in that particular company. Okay, so these factors will be considered. Then we say that okay, we can invest in this particular company. Yes, we can invest, we can consider for a investment, this is irrespective of value investor or a conservative investor, aggressive or conservative investor. Quality of management will be important for both. Okay, otherwise it will be like your money will be on a river. Okay, so these factors to be considered, all five factors to be considered for a quality of management. Okay, in next video we will use all the things what we have been discussed till today, in the sense all the factors which have been considered as a screening factor: profit, return, payouts, and PB ratio, and quality of management. All together we'll count the points, and we will select the company for a investment. We will select those companies for further analysis, like a risk and return analysis to construct a portfolio. Will be discussed in a coming videos.